I frequently have told people that I'm going to live in a field when I grow up, and people think it's a joke. It's like this much of a joke. It's not that much of a joke. My main goal with going to Portland, it's really all I want to do is just stand in a forest for like a good 6 hours. We're in a forest. And then I'll be good. Yeah, let's go. Cannon Beach and Haystack Rock is behind me. Apparently this is one of the 100 most beautiful places in the world, and I understand why. I don't know if you guys have ever had that feeling where like your heart is like so full and you feel like it's like so painful to have it so full. That's how this makes me feel. Like, how can you not love it? Rumble. We had chosen this trailhead because it was close to Cannon Beach, so we didn't have much information going into the hike, which I don't really recommend. We'd been hiking for about an hour at this point, and I was starting to wonder if there were any bears in the woods or any other animals. It was also starting to get dark, and we didn't know how long it was going to take to summit. So we decided that if we didn't reach the top in the next 10 minutes, we'd have to turn around. But then we summited, and it was incredible.
I'm not kidding.
Oh my god. Oh my god. The only thing we could hear at the top of that mountain was the roar of the Pacific Ocean 1,800 and something feet below. I couldn't hear any birds. I couldn't hear any cars. I couldn't hear any other people. Just the Pacific roaring. I'm literally gonna cry. It took us an hour and 10 minutes to get to the top, which was 1,800 and something feet, and we only climbed 840 of those. And it took us about 40 minutes to get down. And we're done. And I'm very sad. That was a good hike. And the parking lot is now empty except for our car. I do not think I would enjoy skydiving. And I've always thought that if like someone could guarantee that I wouldn't die, that I'd like skydiving. Mm-hmm. But for some reason, being that close to like open cliff face, don't think I'd like skydiving. Learning something new. What would you rate the hike?
4 out of 5 would do again.
4 out of 5? I'd give it a 5 out of 5.
I want the sun.
Well, the sun is here.
The sun would have made it a 5 out of 5.
Driving back to Portland, we were out of range of most radio stations. There was one station available, though.
Looking up, you might see a spotted owl or marbled murrelet peering back down at you. For all these forest residents, see how many you can spot on your trip today.